Let me guess. You binge watch a full season of your favorite program on Netflix, or maybe you binge watch dozens of odd videos on YouTube, or maybe you watch broadcasts from your favorite streamers on Twitch. Well, the point is that I'm sure you spend a lot of time on your phone viewing videos, whether they're humorous, inspiring, informative, or basically any video on any platform. But did you know that you can make a lot of money from that hobby? That you didn't know, huh? It is actually the most popular and up-to-date technique of making money online nowadays, since it is genuinely that great you can access it from the comfort of your own home because it is so simple and perfect for novices. There is no need for special equipment or even expertise, since viewing videos online is all it takes to make money for free. That is right, this approach is completely free. In this video, I'll show you how to utilize this strategy to make more money online by following a few simple steps. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. With that stated, let us go on to the first website in your search bar, which is grabpoints.com. As you can see, you are immediately faced with these three simple ways to make money with a website. You can make money by watching TV, doing surveys, and completing offers, but as a personal preference and what I believe is the finest way to make money online, I will teach you everything about the choice of watching videos, which is after all the objective of this entire video. Anyway, there's one thing about Grab Points that I really like, their payment threshold. You may opt to pay out as low as $5, which is incredible considering how most websites have considerably greater payout requirements than this one. You may learn as much as you want right here on this page because everything is offered to you right here. Feel free to go around the website to learn anything you need to know. As for me, I will now tell you how to start your adventure right now by making a free account. You may do so by simply entering your basic information such as your email address and password and hitting the sign up now button to create your own free account. Without further ado, allow me to guide you through the full procedure after creating a free account. The first thing you will notice here is the surveys that you may do at your own leisure, but since we're mostly interested in viewing movies, let us go ahead and find it. So on the left side of the screen, you will notice categories such as surveys, watches, and offers. These are the categories that will allow you to make money, and clearly I want you to click on the watch area to begin viewing videos and earning money quickly. Now you could believe you don't need to complete this movie because you already know about the website, but you'd be incorrect. Certain things can go wrong if you shut this video because you can miss out on some information that is critical to getting this done correctly. I want you to make money, so pay attention and listen attentively. When you return to the page, you will be led to this page which will look precisely like this. Right here, you will find these two alternatives and you'll pick one of them to begin viewing videos. When you hover over their icons, you can see a summary of the task as well as information on how many points you can earn and the task instructions, so don't waste any more time and click on one of them. And for today, I'll be showing you Lootably. After hitting the start button, you will be taken to this website where you can view the videos that you may watch to begin your money-making trip, as well as the points that you can earn for doing such activities. Let us watch a video first. Simply click on any of these films and you will be led to this website where you will need to sign up again so that your credentials are in their system. After you've signed up, they will recommend several videos for you to view so that you can start earning money. It is now difficult for you to become bored since their videos are so intriguing and entertaining. And some of them can even teach you a lesson or two, and on top of that, you can make money. Well, that pretty about wraps up everything about the initial website. Before we begin, let me clarify that this method will not make you a billionaire overnight, so you should lower your expectations. However, if you follow all of the procedures that I described, I promise that you will be able to generate a fair amount of money, just enough to keep you going. Anyway, we'll move on to the second website that I'll introduce in this video, which is called Superpay.me, which has paid out over $4 million to its users. Superpay.me is an amazing app because it will pay pay you 20 cents just for signing up, which is possibly the easiest 20 cents you've ever had to make in your entire life. Once you've successfully signed up, you will have access to a variety of sections right here, including the offer wall, which I will go over later. But first, let me assuage any concerns you may have about the website's legitimacy. I can assure you that I've done extensive research, and this page will certainly put your mind at ease. On the payment proof area, you can see thousands of people who have been paid with real money from SuperPay. They display such information with total transparency, including the member's name, the date of payment, the payment type, and even the amount. Given all of that, you have nothing to be concerned about. If you want to be one of these people, all you have to do is go to the offer walls and locate the engaging video section right here, because that is what this entire video is about. You will then be directed to this page where you can view a variety of videos that you can freely choose from to earn money while watching them, because you have complete freedom to find videos that interest you. Remember how you had to sign up for an account at the previous website? Well, you'll have to do the same thing here on SuperPay. After you've selected your video, they will ask you to create an account so that they can track your activity and pay you the appropriate amount based on how many videos you've watched. Now let me tell you something. A lot of people don't get paid because they don't follow the procedures outlined in this video, so make sure you sign up for an account on your preferred video right here on hideout.tv so that you can be paid. Simply sign up, view a video, and collect your money. You can cash out your payment on the superpay.me page by going to the rewards area and clicking on this button here that says withdraw cash. It is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. And now we're almost done with our list as we move on to website number 3, swagbucks.com. Like the previous website, Swagbucks is a well-known and well-established platform for making money online, having been featured on BuzzFeed, ABC, The Huffington Post, and other publications. Swagbucks is unquestionably a highly legitimate website to earn real money. So how does it work? You may earn free gift cards and cash for doing common activities online like shopping, watching interesting videos, exploring the web, and taking surveys. With so many alternatives, let us simply concentrate on generating money by watching videos. The procedure is similar to that of earlier websites in that you must first create an account before proceeding. Once you have created an account, you will have access to a variety of videos that you may view to gain points on the website. Simply attempt to get more and more points, and the more points you have, the more money you may make. You can then claim your money via PayPal or opt to be reimbursed in the form of gift cards. Either way, you gain real money for doing something so simple. And with that, you've arrived at the fourth and last website, PicoWorkers.com. PicoWorkers is a little different from the others in that you will be clicking on various websites to make money. However, it has the same accessibility, convenience, and simplicity of use, so don't be put off. These job ads can vary in type, with some requiring you to watch videos to make money and others only requiring you to click on a web page and you are good to go. And now I saved the best for last for you guys, since this website is the easiest method to get money online. Some job offers may only pay a tiny amount, but the fact is that you may earn money by just clicking on websites. Oh, and job offers are updated every day, so you will never run out of things to do, allowing you to earn an unlimited amount of money. With this website, you can choose to complete tasks by watching videos, which is our main topic for today, but I can't help but share about a much faster way to make money, which is by clicking on websites. PicoWorkers, by the way, has been on the internet for a long time and has been proved to be a highly successful and efficient way to earn money online. With thousands of individuals using this service, there is practically nothing to be concerned about. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.